والصلاة والسلام على سيد المرسلين وعلى آله وصحابه أجمعين. سبحانك لا علم لنا إلا ما علمتنا إنك أنت العليم الحكيم. سبحانك لا فهم لنا إلا ما فهمتنا إنك أنت الجواد الكريم. وقل رب زدني علما. قال الإمام النووي رحمه الله تبارك وتعالى ونفعنا بعلومه في الدارين. قال الرابع عن النعمان بن بشير رضي الله عنه عن النبي صلى الله عليه وسلم قال: مثل القائم في حدود الله والواقع فيها كمثل قوم استهموا على سفينة فصارت بعضهم أعلاها وبعضهم أسفلها، وكان الذين في أسفلها إذا استقوا من الماء مروا على من فوقهم فقالوا: لو أن خرقنا في نصيبنا خرقا ولم نؤذي من فوقنا، فإن تركوهم وما أرادوا هلكوا جميعا، وإن أخذوا على أيديهم نجوا ونجوا جميعا. رواه al-Bukhari. So continuing with the chapter of ordering and enjoining good and forbidding wrong and evil. So Nu'man ibn Bashir radiallahu anhu narrates that Rasulullah said something to this effect, that the example of the one who stands firm on the orders of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and also stands firm against the prohibitions of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and as opposed to the one who falls in, basically literally falls into the prohibitions, or actually gets involved in the prohibitions which Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has prohibited from. So the example of these two individuals is like the example of a people who, they were riding in a boat, or they were traveling in a boat, and some of them were on the top deck and some of them were on the bottom deck. So the people who were on the bottom of the boat, they said, rather than going up and bothering the people, all the time, for water, because the water apparently was up on the top deck. So rather than going and bothering the people on the top, let's just drill a hole or make a hole in the bottom of the boat and we'll get water straight from the ocean. Problem solved, right? It's a bigger problem. So now, obviously, such foolishness. Now, if the people on the top who observe what these individuals are about to do, if they don't stop them, then what happens? If they don't stop these people, then not only the people who drilled the hole, they will perish, but the entire community of the boat will perish as well. On the other hand, if the people who see what's going on the top take proper and appropriate action and stop them, so they will be saved and everyone in the boat as well. So similarly, if we see wrong taking place and we don't make an effort, and what type of effort we have to make, as we mentioned earlier, we have to change it, transform it, make an effort, with wisdom and insight, how to change, motivate people from doing wrong and motivate them to do right. It's not an easy task. For that task, prophets were sent. And finally our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So we look into his methodology and how he achieved that, and we'll be looking at that inshallah throughout the chapter. So may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala make us among those who will be those who stand, on the orders of Allah and prevent his prohibitions. Ameen thumma ameen. Wa akhir da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.